Hey everybody, this is Alexis with Financial Phoenix, and I am just here today to give you some awesome epic deals for Dollar General this week. We're going to do a regular 5 off of 25, and then we're going to do an almost all detergent deal. But first, I just wanted to say one thing, and it has nothing to do with couponing. It is not related to this channel at all, but I just feel the need to say it this morning. So I'm just going to speak for a second to you step parents out there. If you're a step parent and you are, loving your step kids the way that a biological parent would or should, and you're taking care of them, maybe they live with you, maybe they don't, but you're pitching in to help out and do what you can, and you're not getting that thank you that you need, thank you. Your kids may or may not say it, I don't know, but those are your kids too. I'm a step parent, so the kids that you see, Jason Jackson, that are in our videos, those are my sons, but they're my stepsons, and that really, there's no difference in that to me. Those are my kids, and I don't know, I think sometimes as step parents, we need somebody to just say, hey, you're doing a good job. Let's go ahead and get into these deals. There are going to be epic deals this week at Dollar General and at CVS. So stick around. Let's get into these deals.
Shut up and sit down.
Okay, so the first item that we're picking up are the Tide Simply Pods. These right here, they are $2.95. We have that digital coupon for $2 off, making them 95 cents. Next, we're picking up the regular Tide Pods. I like the kind that has Downy. I think it makes your clothes smell really good. But you can get any of these scents. Just make sure that it's 12 to 16 count. They are $4.95, and you want to use that $3 digital coupon to make this item $1.95. Now, I know we're getting a lot of detergent stuff on this deal as well, but I just want you to keep in mind that these are the best deals of this week. But we are going to vary this up a little bit at the end so that you can get some different items as well if you're not really in need of detergent or stocking up on that sort of thing this week. So the next item we're going to pick up are the Purex crystals right here. They are $3. We're going to use a $1.50 off digital coupon, making them $1.50. Great deal. Okay, this next item, if you don't have cats, you could always swap something else out for. I can try to include a couple options here, but this is a good deal for those cat lovers out there who have pets. Or even if you just know somebody, and you want to gift them some cat food, that's a nice big savings during their week. So you might want to consider that as well. But we're going to go ahead and pick up one of the Purina cat chows. They're on sale for $5 this week, and we have a $3 off coupon. You just want to make sure it's a digital coupon, and you just want to make sure that you're picking up the 3.15 pound bags. Okay, so the next two items are important because we're going to use instant savings. So we're going to go ahead and pick up this Degree. You can get the men's or the women's version. There's a coupon for both in your digital account. So go ahead and clip those, whichever one you want. Pick up one of these. We are going to pay, I think the original price is $5 there. And we have that $1.50 off coupon. The Vaseline is $3.50. We have a $2 off coupon from the 922 Retail Me Not? Yeah, $2 off coupon from the 922 Retail Me Not. We're going to add this, and because we're purchasing the Vaseline and the Degree, we're going to get $2 off of 10 in instant savings, and that'll come off first at the register. You don't need a coupon, nothing to clip, that'll just come automatically off. The last item that we're going to pick up today for this transaction is the Schick Classic razors. There's a 3 razor set. We're going to pick those up for $4.50. We have a $3 off coupon that we're going to use. It's a digital coupon in our account, and that should complete all the items that we need for today. Okay, so after everything for this first transaction, your 5 off 25, your 2 off of 10 instant savings, you should end up paying $5.25 before tax, or 84 cents per item. That's pretty good.
Okay guys, so I made a rookie mistake when I was filming the second part of this video. I said that this Airwick scented
oil warmer is free if you read the fine print, which I did not, which is a rookie mistake, up to $1.50. So because they are $1.65 at Dollar General, you will pay 15 cents for this item. So it'll take $1.50 off. So 15 cents still is going to be like a huge amount of savings, you know, that we're spending on the second part of this order. So I think we can handle the 15 cents. But if you're new to couponing at Dollar General and, you know, need some help with the basics and things like that, go ahead and check out our basics for shopping at Dollar General video. There's a link in the description box down below. Beginning with this second deal, the first 3 items that you're going to pick up are the same as the first deal. So you're just going to pick up the Tide Simply, the Tide Pods, and the Purex crystals, and I won't go over that all again. You can rewind it if you need to, but those are the 3 items that we're going to pick up first, and we're going to get a lot of detergent and laundry type stuff in this deal. Okay, the next item that we're going to pick up is the Gain liquid detergent. These are on sale for $3.95. This is the 19 to 25 load, or 40 ounces. So they're on sale for $3.95 this week, and we have a $2 off digital coupon, making them $1.95. But I want you to go ahead and pick up 2, because we also have this $2 off 1 Gain Flings or Gain liquid laundry detergent or Gain powder detergent, and there's no size other than just excluding trial and travel, which is typically the case. So we're gonna go ahead and pick up 2 of these, and we're gonna get $2 off of both, 1 digital and 1 paper. Next item that we're gonna pick up are the Gain dryer sheets, and we're looking at the 34 sheet count because these are $2, and we have a $2 off coupon in our digital account, and it has no size requirement for those, so we're gonna go ahead and pick these up for free, and that's a great item to add to our transaction. Okay, the next item that we're gonna pick up is the Gain fabric softener, liquid fabric softener. This looks to be the 48 load or 41 ounces. It's on sale this week for $3.95. We have this paper $2 off coupon for a liquid fabric softener, 48 load or higher. So we're gonna go ahead and pick that up and add that to our transaction for $1.95. The next item that we're gonna pick up is the Air Wick scented oil warmer. It is $1.65. You can see that we're almost out back here because we have a paper coupon that makes them free. And that was, I think, from one of the latest inserts that we just got out on 9/22. So we're gonna pick one of these up for $1.65. Luckily my store has some more, it looks like, up there. Pick up one of these oil warmers. Remember that I said that this was a mostly detergent deal. We're adding this free item at the end to help us out here. So pick this up for $1.65, get it for free with your paper coupon. So this is everything that we're getting, guys. This, we've got the Gain, the Tide, the Air Wick, the Purex crystals, all of that detergent, plus an Air Wick for $5.25 before tax, or 66 cents per item. That is a fantastic deal this week on a bunch of detergent if you really want to stock up. So make sure you think about sales tax when you go up there, but before tax your total should be $5.25.
Shut up and sit down.